Hi everybody and welcome to this week's Tech Tip of the Week. In this video we're going to learn how to use Quick Add in Google Calendar. What Quick Add allows you to do is another way for you to add an event to your Google Calendar, but in such a way where you could just type a sentence to create what you're looking for. So I'm going to explain a little bit more about that by showing you a few examples of how you can do this. You can include who, what, when, and where. The two ones that are required to do a Quick Add event would be the what and the when of your event. So let's go over the first example here. So in order for you to make a Quick Add event, you would go here in the upper left hand corner on the little arrow and click here. You'll see a box show up that says Quick Add. And let's just add something like training meeting with John next Tuesday at 11 a.m. So I'm including in here that my what is the training meeting, my who is with John, and what day it is. Notice I don't have to put the date, I just have to put next Tuesday and the time. If I press add and I go over to next Tuesday, there's my training meeting with John. It's a Quick Add event. It put it in the date and the time that I wanted it to be, and if I want to go in and edit it, I can. I can just click edit and enter a location and do anything else that I want to do to change this event. Now, you can also say something like, instead of giving a word like next Tuesday, you could say something like tomorrow. So let's go back, and here, again, we're going to go to Quick Add, and let's say something like staff meeting tomorrow at 10 a.m. So Google Calendar knows what today's date is, and if I go ahead and press add, and I go back to tomorrow, it has it as tomorrow. There's a staff meeting from 10 to 11. So I didn't have to include an exact date. I just said tomorrow, and Google Calendar knew that since today is September 16th, that the next day would be Saturday the 17th, and it's scheduled my meeting till then. Now maybe you want to do something a little bit more specific, like you want to put the location, you want to put when the event starts, when it ends, and the date. So we're going to do another example here by using the Quick Add option again, and let's type something like Google Drive workshop in training room from 10 a.m. to 11:30 on September 29th. Press add, and if we go to next week, to the 29th actually, we have our Quick Add event right here, Google Drive workshop in the training room, Thursday, September 29th from 10 to 11:30 a.m. So now it's added it more specifically there. And then the last example that I want to give you, if you're on today, so we're going to go back to today, and if you are on that date and you do not specify a date range or a specific date when you're making a Quick Add event, Gmail is automatically going to assume that you want to add it today. So maybe I want to add in Quick Add lunch at 12 p.m. I press add, and then today automatically my lunch at 12 p.m. has been added for today. Quick Add is a great option for those events that are quick and fast and you just want to get them on your calendar without having to go through the process of either dragging the date and time down or using the create button here at the top. That's our tip for the week. I hope you enjoyed it. Please tune in next week for our tip of the week next Friday. Have a great day and a great weekend.